आयज फायनली रिजल्ट जालो. तुम्ही सांगिल्ले की आपण कांयच उलोवचो ना, 13 तारखेक आपण कितें सगळ्यो जापो दिता म्हणून.
कित्याक हांवें सांगलें 13 तारीख लोकांनी उलोवन दी. या थँक्यू व्हेरी मच ऑल युअर सपोर्ट.
मी म्हणटा की लोक जाप दिवपा आशिल्ले.
It is important that people know whatever I may talk. I had spoken that I would get 30 out of 30. I missed it out. So that is the reason. Because I always had full confidence in my all 30 candidates. But something went wrong.
असो ते 2 सीट गेल्या पळया, ते तुमचे मातशे मिस्टेक जाली म्हणटा स्ट्रॅटेजी करपाक, काय यू आर गिविंग क्रेडिट टू देम बिकॉज यू आर ओपन हार्टेड ऑलवेज?
No. I'm not giving credit to anyone. First and important thing is seat number 7. Sanjeev Desai. He is new into politics. I guess he could not grasp this thing in this short span of time.
Okay.
See, now what is the point? I always believe when you go to anyone's house for to ask for support, everyone basically says yes, I'm there with you. So that may be sometimes what happens. You take for granted that fellow has said yes, so everything is okay. So that is one of the thing I think. So he is new to politics, so that's nothing.
Okay.
Ward number 17, where this fellow, that narrative of that casino, this thing may have worked. So that is because it's just close fight. It was by 2 votes, whatever it is, and that is up, I think. See, he was basically up. This thing. And one seat fellows in Ribandar, I think by 10 votes or 20 votes. I don't know this thing.
Okay.
So then something must have gone wrong there. So it's simple as that.
सो तुम्ही 30 म्हणिल्ले पळय जावपा तेजे कितें तरी तुमकां
So I
regret?
know, I'm regretting, because all 30, it was my duty basically to see that all 30 should be getting elected.
ते जाले ना, सो मातशे
झालेले ना. आनी म्हाकाय मातशें हें दिसता आतां. नो म्हाका मातशें हें दिसता की हांवूय भोंवंक ना म्हणून. इफ यू गो टू सी, आय हॅव नॉट रोम्ड देयर. हांवें फकत आमच्या कॅन्डिडेटाक सांगलेलें तुका जर खूंय त्रास दिसता थिंगा म्हाका आपय म्हणून. सो दॅट इज मे बी वन ऑफ द थिंग.
सो ऑपोजिशनाक कितें आन्सर दितले तुमी? काय दिवपाक
ना
गरज ना?
ऑपोजिशन
तुमचेर खूप टिका जाली, तुम्ही कसिनो जाले, स्मार्ट
अरे
सिटी.
बाबा पळय, हांव सदां क्लियर जाता त्या दिसा म्हणटा हांव पेपर लुगून वाचपाक बंद करता. कित्याक म्हाजेर कांय बरें येवपाचें ना. सो इट इज अल्टिमेटली पीपल डिसायड अबाउट मी. पेपर डजंट डिसायड फॉर मी.
तरी लोक निवडून कितें हाडटात?
सो ते लोकांकडे विचार न्हू. दे डोंट आस्क मी.
तुम्ही आमच्या कडेन उलयना मागीर.
ना उलोवपाचें म्हणजे you must basically concentrate on what you are doing. But then what happens? These people feel that these people of course feel that they are stars. You understand me, no? But are you cameraman sutta apna test camera sang sutta the stage arena stana. So first come to the stage. First you know, you understand the people, you get their support, and then after now there's a plenty of time for them basically to talk.
So last question, फुडलो आता तिसवाडी फुल बाबूशाक जबाबदारी दिली जाल्यार तशें बी कांय ना. फुल तिसवाडी कांय ना. तुम्ही कुंभार जुवा लक्ष घालता? तुम्ही कुंभार जुवा लक्ष घालता?
हांव हुंय लक्ष घालना. हांव फकत सांग सोदता. I am thankful to our party, Bharatiya Janata Party, for giving me an opportunity to lead this panel.
So, ही victory बाबूशाची काय पार्टीची?
This victory belongs to the party.
Not Babush.
It is not Babush. It is a party. I am a loyal soldier as far as the party is concerned. I am a worker. I am a worker for the party. I thank the Honorable Chief Minister and I thank the Honorable President for reposing and trusting their faith in me, and for me to deliver. But still, I'm sorry that I missed 3.
तर हे आशिल्ले बाबूश मोन्सेरात. ते म्हणटात की 3 सीट आपले गेले, सो तो आपूण एक रिग्रेट फील करता. आपल्याक ते मातशे पिकासांव जाला, बट आपूण भोंवपाक पावलो ना सगळी कडेन म्हणून हे मातशे 3 जे आसा ते नेगेटीव जाले. नाजाल्यार आपुणूच हे 3 जे आसा ते आपलेच आसताले. आनी हो जैत ही विक्ट्री जी आसा ही पार्टीची आसा अशें बाबूशान हांगासर स्पश्ट केलां. हांव विश्वनाथ देनेन, म्हाज्या वांगडा कॅल्विन, श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी स्टेडियम, सांताक्रूज.
The voice for coin.